So today we will be learning about how to calculate or how to find square root. Square, we understood that if we want to know the value of square of any number. So if I want to calculate the square of any number, what basically I have to do? I have to multiply the number by itself. So x into x is like square of x. So if I have to calculate x square, how can I do it? Multiply the number by itself. So how to find the square root? There are two ways by which you can find a square root. So first way is square root can be found by repeated subtraction method. So what is repeated subtraction method? So let's say if I want to find the square root of 9. So basically what is square root symbol? Square root symbol is this which I have made. So this indicates that I have to find the square root of 9. So how to find the square root of 9? By repeated subtraction method. So we will take the number and we will subtract the odd numbers from it repeatedly. I will be subtracting odd numbers from that number repeatedly till I get 0. So let's say if I subtract the first odd number is 1, so I am getting 8. Now I subtract the second odd number, that is 3, so I get 5. Now I subtract the next odd number, that is 5, so I got 0. So I keep on subtracting the odd number till I get 0. Now the next step is to count how many steps. In how many steps we got 0? So we got 0 in one step, two step and three steps. So in three steps we are getting 0. So we are writing root 9 is equal to 3. Okay, so let's try to find the square root of 4. So square root of 4, I will keep subtracting odd numbers. 3 minus 1, sorry, 4 minus 1 is 3. Then I subtract the next odd number, I got 0. So in how many steps I got 0? I got 0 in 2 steps. So the answer is 2. So let's try more so that you got a clear understanding. So if I want to find the square root of 16, so again I keep subtracting the odd number. So I got 0. Now I have to count the number of steps. So you can see there are 4 steps. In 4 steps we got 0. So answer is 4. So this method is called repeated subtraction method. We are repeatedly subtracting the odd numbers till we get 0. And then we have to count the number of steps. In how many steps we are getting 0. So just count the number of steps. That will be giving you the square root. So I have some problem that you have to solve it by yourself. I'm just opening. Okay, you can see the try these box. There are 5 parts. By repeated subtraction of odd numbers starting from 1, find whether the following number are perfect square or not. If the number is perfect square, then find its square root. Okay, so please give it a try. To find a square root by prime factorization, method. So let's say if the number is a perfect square. So if I want to find the square root of 16 and I am adopting the prime factorization method, so I will be doing the prime factorization of 16. So I keep on dividing 16 by prime number. So if I divide it by 2, I got 8. Again, I will divide it by prime number 2. I got 4. Again, I will divide it by prime number 2. I got 2. Again, I will divide it by prime number 2. So I got 1. So prime factorization meaning we keep on dividing the number with prime numbers till we get 1. So now what I am doing, whatever is the factors of 16. So that factors I am just putting it inside that square root and then I will be making pairs. So I can see there are two pairs of 2. So out of this 2, 1, 2 will come out and out of this 2, 1, 2 will come out. So 2 into 2. So the answer of root 16 is 4. This method is called prime factorization method. Now I will take another example. So if I want to calculate the square root of 81, so I will do the prime factorization of 81. I keep dividing it by prime number. If I divide it by 3, then I got 27. I divided 3, I got 9. I divided by 3, I got 3. I divided by 3, I got 1. So see, I am keep on dividing it by prime number till I get 1. So when I get 1, I will stop. So that completes my prime factorization. So if you write the prime factors of 81 in this square root, so I have written, now make the pairs. So out of this 2, 3, 1, 3 will come out. Out of this 2, 3, 1, 3 will come out. So it is 3 into 3 that will make 9. So square root of 81 is 9. Okay. So I will give you some examples to try it yourself, or should I tell you one more example? What do you say?
Ma'am, can you tell one more example?
Yes. So let's take if I want to find the square root of 256. Okay, so what I will be adopting here, I will be finding the square root of 256. Okay, so if I find the square root of 256, I divide it by prime number 2. So I got 128. I again divided by 2. I got 64. Again I divided by 2. 32. I again divided by 2. 16. I divided by 2. 8. So keep dividing that number by prime number till you get 1. So this is called prime factorization. So you just write every of the factor in the square root. So you can count there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 twos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 twos. So now make the pair. So out of this pair, 1, 2 will come. Out of this 1, 2, 1, 2,
Ma'am,
1, 2. Yes.
4 twos will be needed for this.
Yeah. So if you multiply them, 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16. So the correct answer of square root 256 is 16. So I need to break this